Think you can't transform your rental kitchen without losing your security deposit? Well, think again. This is my renter-friendly kitchen makeover. No permanent changes, no drilling holes you can't fill, and no angry landlord emails. In today's video, I'm showing you how to upgrade your cabinets, create DIY countertops, and add a beautiful backsplash, all using renter-approved, removable materials. And the best part? Everything I'm doing here is budget-friendly, easy enough for beginners, and 100% reversible. So, let's take this kitchen from bland and basic to bright and beautiful. Stick around for the final before and after. You won't believe the difference. Planning and budget. Before we jump in, let's talk planning. Step 1. Set a budget. You can transform a kitchen without breaking the bank, but you need to know your spending limits. For this makeover, I'm working with about, insert your amount here, to cover cabinets, counters, and backsplash materials. Step 2. Measure everything. Measure your cabinet doors, countertop length and width, and backsplash area. Having exact measurements means no last-minute material shortages or wasted supplies. Step 3. Choose your color palette and style. Are you going for clean and modern, warm and rustic, or bold and colorful? For mine, I wanted a light, airy feel to make the kitchen look bigger and brighter. Once you've got the plan in place, it's makeover time. Cabinet upgrade. Cabinets take up a huge amount of visual space in a kitchen, so upgrading them instantly changes the whole vibe. And the good news? You don't need to repaint them permanently to get a fresh look. Here are 3 renter-friendly cabinet upgrade ideas. Option 1. Peel and stick vinyl wrap. Choose a high-quality, thick vinyl in a solid color or faux wood grain. Clean your cabinet doors with mild soap and water, no greasy fingerprints allowed. Cut your vinyl slightly larger than the door size, then apply slowly, smoothing out bubbles as you go. Wrap the edges for a clean finish and trim any excess. Option 2. Temporary paint. If your landlord allows it, you can use a removable, water-based primer and paint. This lets you change the color and then restore the cabinets when you move out. Option 3. New handles and knobs. Swap outdated hardware for stylish handles or knobs. Keep the originals in a safe place so you can reinstall them later. For my kitchen, I went with a matte white vinyl wrap and sleek black handles, instantly modern. DIY countertops. Countertops can make or break your kitchen aesthetic, but replacing them in a rental is off the table. That's where peel and stick countertop vinyl comes in. Here's how to do it right. Prep the surface, clean thoroughly with soap and water, then wipe with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils. Start from one end and peel back a few inches of the vinyl backing. Align carefully and press down slowly, smoothing with a squeegee or credit card to remove bubbles. Work in small sections, don't rush. For edges, wrap the vinyl underneath and trim with a sharp utility knife. Pro tip: choose a vinyl with a realistic texture, like faux marble, concrete, or butcher block. It makes a big difference in the final look. The result? A countertop that looks brand new but can be peeled off in minutes when you move. Renter-friendly backsplash. The backsplash is where you can really have fun. It's your chance to add personality, texture, and color without touching the walls permanently. I went with peel and stick tiles. Here's why. They come in endless designs: subway tile, Moroccan patterns, marble, you name it. They are water resistant, easy to clean, and super quick to install. How to install? Measure your backsplash area and mark where each tile will go. Start from the bottom and work your way up, peeling off the backing and pressing tiles firmly into place. Use scissors or a utility knife to cut pieces to fit around outlets and corners. The best part? When it's time to move, they peel off without damaging the wall. Final styling touches. Once the big upgrades are done, it's time for the fun little details that make the kitchen feel complete. Lighting. Add plug-in under-cabinet LED strips for better task lighting and a modern look. Rugs. A washable kitchen runner adds warmth and color. Plants. Small potted herbs or greenery instantly brighten the space. Decor. Use stylish canisters, cutting boards, or mugs that double as decoration. Remember, even small details can take your kitchen from nice to Pinterest-worthy. Full before and after reveal. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, let's see the transformation. Here's the before: plain cabinets, worn countertops, zero backsplash, and a whole lot of beige. And here's the after: bright, modern cabinets, a sleek new countertop, a gorgeous backsplash, and cozy, stylish finishing touches. All done without a single permanent change. This kitchen makeover proves you don't have to own your home to have a space you love. Everything you saw today was completely renter-friendly, budget-friendly, and 100% reversible. So, which of these hacks would you try in your kitchen first? The cabinets, the countertop, or the backsplash? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more renter-friendly DIY transformations. Until next time, happy decorating!